Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will study about methods or functions. Method or a function is a block of code which can be called when needed. There are four types of function or a method. First, function without parameter without return type, with parameter with return type without parameter, and without return type with parameter. So let's discuss each one. We have created one function called printf. Void is a one type of return type and we want to return nothing, then void is used. Printf is the name of the function and braces are container for optional parameter. Now we will print hello in this function. When we call this function, hello will be printed. Curly braces is the block of function in which we have to write code. Using object, now we know how to create object. To call the function, we have to first create the object of class using the new operator. To access the function, first write the object name dot function name and colon. Dot operator is used to access the member of classes. We can see in the output hello is printed. Let's see another form of the function, which is a function with arguments. We are passing string as an argument and we will print the argument in the function. So let's write as and call the method with passing the parameters. Hello, this is a call with parameter in the parameter. So we can see output hello, this is a call with a parameter. Now let's see another function which is a two parameters in the function. So we define first parameter is a string which is a name and second parameter is also as a string and address. And let's use that argument, print it on console. System.console.writeLine. To print the parameter on new line, we are adding slash and character. Now let's call this function. At a time of calling, we must have to pass two parameters, which is must be string type. Now let's run. We can see in output name is foo and address is America. We can see both functions output. Now let's see another form of function which with return type. When we use the same name for different purpose with different signature of function, it's called function overloading or static polymorphism. Let's see one more example for function with return type. We will return hello, which is a type string, and we will store this string into in particular variable. We must have to store this value which is returned from the function. Otherwise, compiler will generate error. So we have coded the string from the function and we have printed it on console. We can see hello is printed, which is passed. Thank you.